we're going to play the card shuffle game. And it's a fun game. Whichever number you get, 1922, somebody has to shuffle, you have to guess. If you get it right, you win one game. Okay. Who's going first?
Me.
Okay.
So we're going for the 3-8 card. Hide the 3-8 card. I know.
Oh no, you don't.
Still see it.
Don't look at the number. Okay. There. Which one? Okay. Which one?
3-8.
Right? No. 7.
So we where the time കളയാം